beauties, it's your girl Anna Bless. Yes, and I'm here with an excited review today. Guess what? I'm doing an Aliexpress Am I the only one excited? I've been wanting to do this for the longest while, but guys, I had to, gather the stuff and, keep ordering and, build up so we can do this video. And finally, we are doing it. So, guys, this is going to be exciting. I am excited. I'm excited. First review that we are going to do is, guess what? Do you see them? Eyelash! All of this, honey. All of this. Yes, from Aliexpress. And these lashes don't pass $4. Yes. They don't pass $4. These are $1, $2, $3, $3.59. Yes. Cheap. And them look good too. Yes. So the first review are these lashes. Yes. These are some pretty lashes. And they came in this little pack. And guys, don't worry about the info. I will link everything in the description box for y'all. So this is a 3D beautiful eyelash from a company called I'll link it in the description box. I can't pronounce the name. It's a Chinese name and I can't pronounce it. So this is how the lashes are looking, and these are one of my favorite lashes. So these are the lashes. Yes. And as you can see, I received 2 pairs. So we have these. As you can see, I already used them. So these are from a company called SHIDISHANGPIN. This is a popular company. So this is the 3D XO6 lashes. So 3D XO6. And this is how they are looking, guys. So I received 3. And this is when I double them. Yes. Beautiful lashes, guys. So these lashes are like for the summer. Yes, or for like wedding, when you don't want anything too dramatic. Yeah. So this is an everyday lash for me. And I'm loving it. Yeah, so I purchased these lashes, and they're like they look like strip lashes. When I first received them, I really didn't like it, but it's okay. I can use them for my client because I'm a makeup artist, and most of my clients don't like the dramatic lash that I am wearing. So these are suitable for like, older persons, older clients. So they like these lashes. Very natural, wispy, and nice. And then you have these. So these are the invisible bands. Beautiful, guys. They are lovely. I used it on one of my clients, and she asked me, where did I get the lash? And I gave her the info, and she bought them. These are lovely lash, people. Very nice. So let me open it and show you guys close up. Yes. Aliexpress, people. Yes, and it is the A21 lashes. So everything will be linked in the description box, so don't worry. And then we have these. This is the A8, the A88. So as you can see, guys, I used a pair. These lashes are beautiful. As you can see, they are wispy and nice and curly. I like when my lashes are curly. And these are cheap. $3. $3, guys. Beautiful, and you get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, affordable. And quality for your money, guys. Quality. And then you have these bad boys. I'm not a fan of these because they look too synthetic for me. And they're extremely long. So these lashes for me are like for Halloween. You know? These lashes are not everyday wear. These guys, I am loving them. These are what I'm wearing now. So these are the large. These are the large one. This is the K20, and these are the wispy lashes. And as you can see, they are lovely, and they have this natural look to it, you know. So this is how they look, guys. Very natural and nice. As you can see, a pair is missing because I'm wearing it right now. Yeah, I basically stack my lashes, so I use this on top of this one because this one is larger than this one. They are two, both of them are the same, but this one is larger and this one is smaller. So I double on top and I get this. So as you can see, this is the double, and these lashes are bomb. So we have this dramatic queen right here. Very dramatic. See that? Yes. And she's called the 3D Handmade Mix Vector. Yeah, Mix Vector forever. I'll link the link in the description box so you can purchase. So let me show you how this lash looks. Ooh. Yes, because y'all know it's your June girl. I'm a June queen. So I think I'm going to try this one because anything dramatic, call my name. I'm all for it. And this lash is dramatic. Y'all see that? Look at that. And it is so soft, so soft. And the bun is a little bit thick. And then we have these. Now let me tell you about these lashes. The price for this lash is like, these lashes are like, I paid $100 something for them, for all 5. No, $260 for all 5. See that? These lashes are the boss. They're very curly. And I don't know how you call, but it has that nice little wispy look, you know. When you put it on, it just curl up. Yeah, and that is what we like. And these lashes are everything. Quality. The band of the lashes is very thin and transparent, so you don't have a problem. You will not have a problem, you know, applying, and it's easy to apply. Yes, I am loving these lashes, and they came in different style, as you can see. Different style. So guys, this is the G800. It is a popular lash on YouTube because I saw a YouTuber review this lash. So that is why I went and purchased mine. Girl, I love this lash. I love it bad. Love it. Look at it. Wispy and nice. OMG. Look at that, people. If I don't wear the dramatic one, I might just double these and wear them because these will give you a real mink hair vibes. Trust me. When you wear them, when you double them, hello, trust me. Trust me. The G800, look here. Y'all need to get this. Y'all need to get this. And the price point on this lashes I got, well, it is originally 300 and something Jamaican. In US I paid like $2 something. So I am very skeptic about eyeshadows, buying stuff from Aliexpress, knowing that, China made stuff. You don't know the ingredients of the stuff, you don't know all of that, so it is not safe. So nevertheless, I went ahead and purchased this bad boy. Yes, it's a glitter palette, and it is called on AliExpress the mermaid glitter palette. So I saw these palette on Instagram selling for arm and a leg. And I paid 700 Jamaican dollars for this. On AliExpress is like what, $5 something. And this is how the shadows look, guys. So as you can see, it came with several glitters and a couple shimmers and mattes. Very pretty. So let me just swatch some for you. Look at that, buttery and nice, and this sticks. Watch it on my hands to show you guys. See that? Very pretty. Yeah. I had this palette. I purchased this palette a long time ago. And this is how it looks. Very nice. Yes, so it have like a snake skin kind of design. It's lovely. And the colors are amazing. Look at that. Colors. Amazing. Look at that colors. And these are only shimmery colors. Shimmery shades basically. But they are pigmented and they are creamy. Beautiful on the eyes, trust me. So let me swatch this pretty color right here. Let me show you guys the swatch. That, and that. So these are the shimmery colors. Yes. Very pretty. Yes. So guys, this is the wallet palette. So as I said before, everything will be linked in the description box as to where I get purchased all of these goodies. And then I always see people reviewing the black mask, the black mask cleanser. So I went on AliExpress and there it was. Cheap, cheap, cheap. I saw it on Instagram selling for an arm and a leg. Yes. Them people, them thief, you see. But I went on AliExpress and I got this for $2 something. Cheap. Does it work? Yes, it works. And this is how it is looking. Same product. Yes. Same thing. Same thing. Yes, guys. And for this small little thing right here. But guys, the pigment is phenomenal. It's amazing. Creamy. Like literally creamy and nice. Trust me. Very pretty. Very pretty. And for these bad boys, You know, I purchased it because of the packaging. You know, it looks so nice, so that's why I really purchased it. But when I actually received the product, the quality is amazing. Yes, I really like it. So let me swatch it, guys. Look at that. Pigment. Pigment. Let me swatch it on my hands. Oops. Y'all see that? Pigmentation. And guess how much for it? $150. Jamaican. So it's like $1. Can you believe it? You get pigment. Quality. Can't ask for nothing better than this. So guys, last but not least are these kinky curly hair from this company called MyFill. So it's so I purchased 3 bundles and a closure. So it's 3 bundles of 16-inch and a 14-inch a 14-inch closure. Not closure, frontal. So this is how the frontal is looking. Honestly, this hair is really nice. Quality. And the hair is affordable. Trust me. So this is how the hair is, and this is the frontal. It is a 13x4 frontal. And it is lovely, trust me. And as you can see, it came pre-plucked and all of that good stuff. Trust me, I love this hair. I can't wait to turn it into a wig, a good girl wig. And these are the bundles. These are the bundles. And the price point on these here is $8,000. $8,000 for the 3 bundles.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video, but I just want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. And if you see anything in this video that you'd like, you can check the links that will be included in the description below. So yeah, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye my lovely people.